Let me just start with you, Gautam Bhatia, because much of what I've spelled out, you've been tracking for a long time. And in fact, Gautam Bhatia, you've even have summarized many of these instances in your Twitter thread, where you call it, "Show me the man and I'll show you the law," implying that there are different standards at play.
Yeah. With respect to the Munawar Faruqui bail, I think it's a travesty of justice in every respect. In a bail hearing, the only things the judge should be taking into account is whether the accused can tamper with the evidence, can influence witnesses, if the accused is a flight risk, and yes, the gravity of the offense. Nothing beyond that. And the judge's statements, oral statements in this case as reported, seem to reflect a prejudgment on the merits of the case that seems to have then influenced the decision to not grant bail. And if you put that against the Supreme Court's observations in the Arnab Goswami case, stressing on how bail is the rule and jail is the exception, and the importance of bail, and that even one day behind bars is a day too many, the contrast is quite stark.
Right. Vivek Tankha, because you actually appeared for Munawar Faruqui. Now, overall this idea that we heard in the Supreme Court saying that you must respect liberty, individual liberty, very important, and yet increasingly the trend seems to be going in a different direction.
Vasu, I must say to you that it's very worrying to find the kind of constitutional governance we are heading towards. Are we looking for an inclusive or a divisive society? That's the question. If everything that is divisive gets promoted or projected, and sometimes the portrayal is so incorrect that it's frightening that what are we doing to our country? I know cases. Forget Munawar Faruqui, that's one case where you said, I did not utter a word. That's his statement, and that's what the police said next day in the newspapers. He now is being punished for something which he had said on a video 18 months back. So, and the BJP activist, of course. But even more shocking, today the way sections 153A, 153B, 295A, sedition, I have never seen such blatant misuse of these sections in other. Today, from Uttar Pradesh, where makes a public statement in the month of August, and 6 months later, FIRs are getting registered periodically that he has in the 153A, 153 that is pending.
Right. Okay.
So what is happening is that are we losing this trust on governance? That is the main issue, because if people lose trust in the systems, then our democracy is in peril.
Okay.